We will now work on the last section of this training slash demonstration, where we want to enable the authentication and the authorization. So as a part of the scaffolding, we already have the login and the register pages available to us. Now let's enable the authentication. So back in our product controller, we need to add an authorized attribute in order to make our actions secured. So let's do that. Let's go back to our index method and let us decorate our action method with the authorize. Authorize is an attribute, part of the Aspnet core.authorization. So let us add this and let us compile and run this app. We have the privacy and the home page available publicly. We initially had the products page as well as available, but when we click on the products now, it's asking for a login. So using the authorize attribute, we have enabled some sort of security built in place. Now let's click on the register. Again, register is a part of our scaffolding and this page has been created for us. Let's create, we'll call this as demo@gmail.com, and then we will have a password for it. We will have to confirm the password. Click on register. Okay, so we have a mismatch. And let's click on the register now. We can see that the user has been registered, and we will emulate by clicking here. Click here to confirm your account. In the real world, we will be modifying this particular page to actually have an email sent to the user's inbox, from where the user will confirm his or her email. But for now, let us click on the confirm your account. So the confirm mail has already been set. We can see this value in the database. So let's visit our database. So let's have a look at our database. We can also query the users. We already have the query in place. Let's change the database to our database. And here we can see that we have a username with the demo@gmail.com. Here we can see the flag. The email has been confirmed. So if you want to reconfirm this email again, you can set the value to 0. So we now have a user in our Aspnet users. And so for now we have enabled the authentication. So let's try to log into the application. So let us click on the products. We created a demo. Let's enter our password. Click on login. And now we can see that the user demo@gmail.com has been logged in, and as a result of that, we are able to access the products page. So now we can access the home, the privacy, and the products page. If we click on logout, we are redirected to the home page, and then when we click on products, we will have to re-log in again. So this is how we have enabled the authentications. So now let us look at the authorization.